Once again guys, good afternoon. Another Copil 1.5 HP inverter AC. The color of this is green while the other one is blue, the repaired one. Now, it has the same uh, error. The outdoor fan motor and indoor fan motor are not working. We have to check what's the problem. I will switch on. Okay. Now it's on. We'll wait until the compressor if it is work. See here, indoor fan motor is working. We'll wait. It's working. Now it has a power because there is a pilot lamp. It has the same problem. Now I'm going to check and troubleshoot this one to locate what's the problem. Okay guys, we have to troubleshoot this. So guys, after checking and troubleshooting this another couple inverter outdoor PC board, I found out that the IPM again is defective, and also I replaced the two current sensing resistor, this one and this one. So the IPM we replace. This is the green board and this is the blue board, which is okay right now. Now I'm going to test this whether it is working or not after replacing this spare parts, which is IPM and the current sensing resistor. I will switch on the breaker. Okay, it's on the indoor board. We'll wait the fan motor to indoor fan motor to work. Now it's working now. See, it is speeding. Now we have to wait if the compressor and then this outer fan motor being as a light as I use, if it is working. But it takes maybe 3 minutes before it turns on. This green board, the owner of this is from the QC, while this blue board, the owner of this from Santa Lucia, near at the Santa Lucia Mall. This green board, I think it is near at the LTO. We have to wait until it works. Now guys, compressor is working and as well as the fan motor is light. Now this compressor is working. See. We will test a few minutes so that we can assure that it is working so fine, very fine. Okay. Now thanks God that we have already solved this to fulfill outdoor board. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching. If you like the video, press the like button, and then also if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Thank you to all the viewers. Okay guys, bye. Until next video. This is the green board. This is the other one board. Okay guys, thank you very much.